Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making the keyboard available and selected. Open Settings, go to Language and Input, and enable your preferred keyboard. Once enabled, choose it as the default so the system uses it. Then open a message, notes, or search field to force the keyboard to appear. Tap the text field and watch the new keyboard load. If a permission prompt appears, accept necessary input permissions. This ensures features like autocorrect and voice typing work correctly from the outset. Once the keyboard is active, customize layout and input behavior to fit how you type. Open the keyboard app settings from the keyboard toolbar or settings on-screen keyboard. Change layout to one-handed or split for larger screens, and toggle swipe typing if you prefer sliding gestures. Enable autocorrect and suggestions for faster composition, and set voice input if you dictate often. Also pick languages and a theme. These choices directly affect speed, accuracy, and comfort while you type every day. To finish, learn advanced features and a quick troubleshooting step. Use clipboard history, saved snippets, emoji search, and long press keys for symbols. Switch languages with the globe key. If the keyboard lags or stops showing suggestions, clear the keyboard app cache, force stop, or reinstall the app, and restart your phone. Make sure microphone and storage permissions are granted for voice typing and clipboard. If problems persist, verify accessibility settings aren't blocking input, and test another keyboard to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.